Now more of an extensive video of the 51 Ford Victoria.
I peeled shit off cars for a week out here.
So a bunch of parts in the back. So Tucker, what do you think of your 51 Victoria?
Well, yeah, I mean, when he's...
This door he up, so I got this door for it.
Hmm.
Rocker. And there's hard to find straight.
Were these naturally two-tones with the white on top? And okay.
Mine was blue and white. The one I had when I was a kid was pink and white.
Oh.
Floors look pretty good where I can see them.
Kind of poking.
At least the dash is complete.
Oh yeah.
At least the dash is all there.
Yeah, ain't that nice? The only thing I seen missing, there's a Victoria sign that goes right. See them two little holes right there by that Ford script?
Yeah.
Somebody stole that Victoria, and that's hard to find.
Oh, okay.
I had a hell of a time getting one for the one I had. Might get it off eBay, I don't know.
Or we can try to find something online and then 3D print it with a metal printer. Was it tin, metal, or for the emblems?
It was, I believe it was probably aluminum.
Okay.
Gold color.
Oh, okay. The old
Oh, yeah, that gold color stuff.
Yeah.
Like the Galaxies, you didn't see the gold on those two walkers, always chrome. Then when you do find the gold ones, or someone wants it.
Yeah. Oh, you even got the hubcap still on it.
Well, I put the good ones on it.
Okay.
That one, I put that wheel and this wheel, and fixed the tires so that.
Okay.
And that wheel back there, that's the wrong wheel. Yeah, that's the wrong wheel.
And this took the biggest flathead of that year, 100 horse, didn't it? Okay.
Unless you found a Mercury, then you had 110.
Yeah, that 48 I bought off of years ago had a Mercury in it.
Yeah, but what size of flathead was that? Do you know? That was
the 110.
That was the 110. Think you got to put it in this?
Oh, if we can find an original motor for it, I mean.
Yeah. Well, it's up to you. I mean, because we're restoring this original. Because some people want us to chop top it and a bunch of other stuff. It's like, why? It's like there's no reason to do that to a shoebox. Yeah, surprisingly. Yeah. It came from Utah. And if you were, what, a couple hours too late, the guy was going to crush his car, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, he's going to crush it.
Yeah. I just made it.
Yeah. And why did he say he was going to crush it? Just gonna crush it.
He's a junk man.
Oh, okay.
Like an idiot.
Yeah. Kinda.
I didn't notice that. I'll load that.
Get around to the back here. But yeah, we're gonna have this hauled home on the rollback. Because he dug himself out, as you can see the snowdrift over there. Don't slip and bust my rear end. Yeah, look at that. And this had a white deal, because I thought this might have been like a backup light, but I think I was wrong. So, yeah. What is this chrome? Pot metal, isn't it? It's like cracked right here?
Yeah.
Oh,
Die cast.
oh, die cast pot. Okay.
Same thing.
Alright, so definitely could learn how to weld that and fix it. And of course, there's the three cats again. Ford and their 3 cats, which I never understood why they did that.
That's because it was a theater.
That I mean, fair enough. I won't say no to that. Good Lord. No, can never have too many parts. I have to strap that.
I know there's a lot of guys that have these. You don't see them driving them, they leave them in their damn shed.
Yeah.
It's like that business coupe. You don't see people driving except for car shows.
No.
The rest of the time they stay in the shed.
Well, there's also some of the old timers online are telling us it's also they considered them salesman coupes because they traveled everywhere.
2 Victoria pieces of chrome.
Okay. Move this tire so it doesn't. Ooh. Yeah, so just a brief look. Okay, I see the spot right there it's talking about. Well, so we'll have to run numbers to see what color it was. Obviously a white top. Oh, hey, I can actually work on this. It's a Victoria. Okay. Yeah, I'll have to get a bullseye. I want to make a special bullseye and fix some of our chrome pieces that are like that, especially the chrome piece on your 64 Galaxie. Oh, look where they ran the wire to the cab. Huh. And we know nothing about these cars. And this is, what gen is this? I know it's first gen of the 50s, but what gen is it along the line of the Victorias?
First Vicky made.
I thought they had one in the 30s, those Victorias.
Oh, well, no, they had, it's a first hardtop.
Yeah, first hardtop, first gen hardtop of Ford.
They made Victorias and Model A's and everything.
Yeah, but yeah, first gen in the 50s, but it's like what, 4th or 5th gen of the Victoria line? Something like that. I don't remember either. Now,
20s, 30s, and 40s.
Yeah. Oh, the 20s.
Yeah, they had them. They had Victoria and the Model A's.
Oh, I thought they started in the 30s. Oops, okay. But yeah, now, real fast, like, people are saying that this is not a Victoria. Well, we've already proven it's a Victoria, but they say it's not, doesn't have the strip down the middle and on the roof. Well,
it ain't a Crown, that's why.
No, it's not a Crown. Crown started in what, 55 with the Fairlane?
Yep.
Yeah.
We've had people tell us differently on that one.
Yeah. But yeah, this is
54. They had the first glass top.
54 first glass top. Huh.
Yeah, that'd be a hard one to find.
I got one. It's rough from shit. It's in town.
A 54 Victoria glass top.
It's actually, they call it Skyliner or something like that.
Huh.
I forget for sure what they call it.
Yeah, because I know you got that 55 Mercury glass top, that Sun Valley.
Yeah, that's Canadian, though.
54 right over there, Mercury. In that shed.
Oh. I'm trying not to look because I'm Mercury nuts anymore.
Yeah, I'd be scared to walk over there.
The glass is ruined in it, but I bought one at an auction. It's pretty damn nice. They made more 54s though. I've never seen another 55.
Oh, really? High production number on 54, but low on 55. Let's see. Okay. So both these are rotted away. those splits.
What's the difference in the fenders and the...
Fenders are the same as any other one.
Oh, really?
That makes it easy.
Yeah.
Huh.
I think you can put a 50 on there too, because the light things are close. The 40, well, you can put if you probably get it cut right, you can put a 50, 49 to 50 on 51. The whole front clip will fit off of any of them.
Okay.
Different, like that one, and that's a 50. See, the park lights are similar to the 51 on the 50.
Hmm.
And the 49 had a little cat eye in there. So.
Okay. Yeah, isn't that something? I wonder how long this was off the road. I really don't see it. The tag came from Utah.
They didn't put a date on that tag or a year? Yeah,
No.
it's on there.
Oh, is it?
Deep shit.
Oh, there it is.
I think it's there. I just can't read it.
Can you read that? It's really messed up.
I don't know if it's there for sure or not.
Yeah, I don't see it.
Hmm. Yeah, because those license plates are no good.
No, there ain't no date on it.
Huh. Interesting.
Pretty nice tag if you want.
Okay. Well, that two-tone white top with, I don't know what, beige color?
Tan beige.
Yes.
I don't know what they called it.
I couldn't see
I
it.
said brown.
Yeah. And when we get it home, we'll go through all of it. And
Yeah, I'll put this one here with the ones I'm working on now.
yeah, with the lineup, and this summer I'll carefully take her off the frame and start working on it. And then there's that one glass shop in town too that can talk to, that they said that they can supposedly make a back window for this. So yeah. But yeah, we'll go into the shed and show his 56 Fairlane, which is almost like a 55, because people are saying this is not a, not a Victoria. And we said that Fairlane started in 55, Crown Vic's in 55. Yeah, it always takes that one.
Cool. Morning, puffing smoke out of that pipe on this side.
Oh yeah.
Looks pretty good.
One of my big reds doing that. Of course, video on that will be Sunday. So that way we can unload that plenty of time.
Bumper's laying on hood. I just gave him
Yeah, we'll just kind of dig some stuff out in the back on the snow and see if we need to strap anything down. So now this is a Fairlane Victoria. This is a 56 with a 55 roof on it, correct? And the original roof on it was just all chewed up from rust, wasn't it?
roll. The roof was full of shit.
Yeah. Yep, look at that beauty. And you put a 428 Super Cobra jet down in this, but you still have to finish working on it. Because this thing is... You just had barely enough room to fit it in, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hard to start so breathing.
Yeah, I know you sell it.
And these bars, were these original or they come
The
some
original on a 4-door hardtop. That's the only one that comes.
Ford? Huh.
I've seen it. I got 3 sets, and that's all I've ever seen.
They're that hard to find.
They all come off a 4-door hardtop.
Okay. And of course you can see right here, Fairlane, the 3 cats. But yeah, 56 with the 55 roof on it. Really can't tell. So if you did a hell of a good job on it.
If you don't know, you'll never know.
Yeah.
Same roof, it's just different.
Different chrome trim.
Different right here. The 56 got flappers that come down here.
Oh.
And they're always broke.
Was it just from the door from wear and tear, or is it just from the wear and tear from the door closing, or?
Yeah, they got little springs on them that break all the time. I got that 56 and they're broke on it.
But yeah, this is 55, 56 with that chrome piece in the middle. Dual antennas. And the back tail lights were shared up to what, 57s? Or 50, same?
56 is one at a time.
Okay.
55 is different.
Yeah, I couldn't remember. But yeah.
57 is different.
And this little piece right here came off a Meteor or something from Canada, wasn't it? Yeah, and they flip. I don't know which way it flips. I'm not going to touch it. But yeah, it's like that on both sides. So yeah, hopefully this kind of shows...
Actually, Monarch.
Oh, Monarch. Huh. You still have that one Meteor.
Yeah. 55.
Yeah, that 55. Yeah, Crown Meteor from Canada. I haven't seen that in years. I know it's in town, in storage. Yeah. What's the difference between the 55 and 56 dashboards?
Quite a bit. Speedometer, everything's different.
Oh, okay. Yeah, 4-speed.
Interchange, you can put the dash out of the 55 and the 56, but you can put it all in there.
Oh, okay. And what colors did you paint this? What, cream white and what else?
This?
Yeah.
Madron orange is what they call it.
What kind of orange?
Madron?
Oh, okay. Yeah. Because when he gets this done, we'll try to go for a ride in it, because we were going to go for a ride in your one Ford, that Ranger XLT that you sold, and missed that opportunity.
Yeah.
Does that guy still have it together? Because last time I heard he tore it apart.
Didn't tear it apart.
Oh, okay. That thing's a little loud. Because again, Fairlane started out in 55, along with the Crown Victorias, and that's a standard Victoria.
Well, yeah.
Because if you think about it, that's pretty much the grandmother out there to Fairlane, Galaxie, and Torino, because it all stemmed from Fairlane. Yep. So yeah, that 51 Ford Victoria out there is the grandmother of them all.
Came out as Fairlane Galaxie.
Yeah, and that was in 59. And he's got a 4-door down there, but it's really trashed. It's not even savable. So alrighty. That's the difference between everything, so please take consideration liking, sharing, commenting, and subscribing. We'll see about getting that 51 hauled home sometime on the road back. So y'all have a good one now. Excuse me. Have a good one now. Take care and stay safe. See you later, and thanks again for the support.